Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and swatching and reviewing the Holo Taco I Need Space collection. So here is the collector's box. I think it's really cute. It's got like the holographic sides. I don't have a lot of space here, but I will be keeping the box. The only other thing I've ever bought from Holo Taco is the Sophia Nygaard limited edition collection, so I'm really excited to have some new polishes. I actually ordered the cookies and cream collection too, and I will be making a video on that next. So it has a little magnetic closure and it just opens like this, and here are the polishes. I haven't looked at them, so this is my first look. So cute. I love all the holographic design on here. I love how it's green. Okay, so here's the first one, and this is the one I'm actually most excited about, and it is called Solo Mission. The boxes are really cute. Got a black holographic box with silver holographic writing on it, and then just some white writing as well. I'll definitely be keeping all the packaging, and they'll be staying in their boxes. I did the same with the Sophia Nygaard collection, but it's super, super cute. I love a good box. So here it is. It's kind of a blushy nude filled with flakies and holographic glitter. I just think this is so pretty. And I feel like this is the one that I'm going to enjoy the most. I'm going to unbox first, and then we will do swatches. So this one is Solo Mission. Beautiful. Next we have Orbite Me. Try not to rip the boxes. This one's tight. There we go. So this one is like a brown with a crushed holographic looking finish. I don't know how they describe it on the website, but that's how I would describe it. This one is called Orbite Me. Not the one I'm most excited about, but I still feel like I'm going to really enjoy it. Then we have I'm Rover It. And this one is a bronzy copper, like burnt orange metallic with the hollow glitter in there. And again, that one's called I'm Rover It. Definitely giving me fall vibes. Did this come out for fall? It may have, I'm not sure. This one I'm super excited about as well, and it is called Alien Infatuation. And this one is like a gray to green shifty polish with little holographic glitter. Very twinkly. I am very excited for this one. And again, that one is Alien Infatuation. And lastly, the other one that I'm super, super excited about, like it'll be between, I think, this one and what was the first one called? Solo Mission, I believe will be one of my favorites. And this one is called Waste of Space. And this is a black base with like a red shift and all kinds of hollow glitter. I love a black base nail polish, so I'm super, super excited for this one. It is so twinkly. I love it. And again, this one is called Waste of Space. Okay, so let's get into swatching. Okay, going in with my first coat of Solo Mission. I really enjoy the brush and applicator for Holo Taco. Okay, so here it is in one coat. It is sheer. So this will probably be a 2 to 3 coater depending on how much nail line you are okay with showing. I will probably build it up in 3 coats to really get as much of those flakies as possible, but that is so pretty. Going in with a second coat. It actually built up really nicely in 2 coats, so you may not need 3 depending on your nail length. But these are opaque swatches as well, so it may be a little bit more difficult to tell. But it's definitely beautiful in 2 coats. Absolutely love it and cannot wait to wear this one. This may be my Easter polish. I'm wearing like a nude dress, so this may be the one that I wear. Now I'm going into my first coat of Orbite Me. Ooh, making a mess. So here is one coat. It's definitely more opaque than the first polish, but it will still need at least 2 coats for full opacity, possibly 3, depending on your nail length, but I believe most people will be able to get by with 2. Going in with a second coat of Orbite Me. Yes, this one builds up beautifully in 2 coats. I love the way that looks. It's so shiny and eye-catching. Honestly, I like it so much more than I thought I would. It was not one that I thought I was absolutely going to love, but I really do. I think it'll look nice on my pale skin as well. Okay, so there is 2 coats of Orbite Me. And with my first coat of Rover It. Ooh, that's pretty. It is so windy. I don't know if you can hear that outside. So a little sheer in that first coat, but that is so, so pretty. So much prettier in person than what I was seeing online, in my personal opinion. I love that. Going in with a second coat. Yeah, that builds up beautifully. Again, I feel like most people will be able to get away with 2 coats on this one as well. I love that metallic finish with the glitter. There is a little bit of brush strokes, but I have a feeling those will go away once the polish is fully dry. So there is 2 coats of Rover It, and I love it. This is going to be a go-to for me in fall for sure. Now going into my first coat of Alien Infatuation, and everyone is comparing this one to Spirit Fingers, which I actually do own. It was in the Sophia collection. So the formula definitely looks similar, like the shiftiness and everything. And I really love that polish. So going in with my first coat. So there it is in one coat, very soft, but the shift in there is very, very strong. I really do enjoy this one a lot. It's not my favorite of the collection. At first, I thought it, like when I first saw the collection, I thought it would probably be just because I love a green. But the more I looked at Solo Mission and Waste of Space, I kind of thought this one would take a little bit of a back seat. But I do still really like it. And again, it will take a couple coats with this one because it is a little bit on the sheerer side. Going in with a second coat of Alien Infatuation. I definitely like it more build up because that gray base gets a little bit deeper. I do really like that. Overall, I'm loving everything so far. Those twinkles in there are so pretty. Okay, so that is 2 coats of Alien Infatuation. I love it. Now for the one that I'm possibly most excited for is Waste of Space. So going in with my first coat. Definitely very sheer and jelly-like on that first coat, so it may take at least 2, possibly 3, but I can already tell I love this one. Look at those glitter sparkles and that red shift. Oh, yes. This one is going to be my favorite, I do believe. Very sheer in that first coat, but it allows those glitters to really pop. Going in with a second coat. Builds up very nicely. Look how beautiful that is. This is definitely the most like spacey one in my opinion. It just looks like a galaxy. That is so beautiful. We'll probably take 3 coats on a natural nail, but for my swatch, I do feel like 2 coats is sufficient. Absolutely stunning. So I have not top coated any of these, and you can kind of see this a little bit of a flatness, especially to Solo Mission. So I'm going to top coat everything, and we'll come back after everything is dry and look at how everything is shining and sparkling. So here is everything with a glossy top coat, and it definitely just takes everything to a new level. You definitely want to use a good top coat to give these polishes their full potential, which I always top coat everything anyway, but especially something with like a glitter and a holo effect, you want to really give it that shine. So that is the collection. My top picks are definitely Waste of Space, which does not surprise me, and Solo Mission. And the other 3, honestly, I think I like them equally. I love the whole collection as a whole, but the 2 on the ends are definitely my top picks. I want to put this one on my nails immediately. Okay, so let me know what you think of this collection. Did you buy it? Are you thinking about buying it? What is your favorite? What would be your top pick? And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I love you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.